Food storage containers. Rubbermaid Brilliance food storage containers are a perfect blend of functionality and elegance, designed to meet all your storage needs. Crafted from durable, BPA-free, crystal-clear plastic, they allow you to see contents at a glance without opening the lid. These containers are 100% leak-proof thanks to airtight lids with secure latches, making them ideal for soups, sauces, and meal prepping. The stain-resistant material ensures they stay looking pristine over time, even after storing tomato-based dishes. With built-in vents under the latches, reheating food in the microwave is hassle-free and splatter-proof. They are stackable, maximizing space in your fridge or pantry. Dishwasher safe and freezer safe, they make cleaning and storage a breeze. Perfect for portioning meals, they come in various sizes to accommodate everything from snacks to full meals. Designed to last, Rubbermaid Brilliance containers are the ultimate solution for organized and efficient storage. Upgrade your kitchen with these innovative, user-friendly containers.